Want to make your QuickBooks Online even smarter? Adding your email account to QuickBooks can save you time, improve communication, and make managing your business smoother than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete 2025 step-by-step guide on how to add an email account to QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or just getting started, this guide will help you set it up in minutes, so stick with me till the end. First things first, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head over to the settings icon, usually found at the top right corner of your dashboard. From the menu, look for the section labeled Manage Users or Integrations, depending on your QuickBooks version. QuickBooks often updates its layout, but both options typically lead you to where you can connect or manage email accounts. Next, select Connect Your Email or Add Email Account. QuickBooks supports popular email providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. If you use a custom business email, you can choose the Other or Custom Email option. Click on your email provider and a new window will appear asking you to sign in. Enter your email credentials, then grant QuickBooks permission to access your email. Don't worry, this only allows QuickBooks to send invoices, statements, and customer communications on your behalf. Once connected, you can customize how your emails will look when sent from QuickBooks. Add your business logo, edit the default message, or even set up automated templates for invoices and payment reminders. Before finalizing, send yourself a test email to make sure everything is working perfectly. If the email lands in your inbox successfully, congratulations. Your email account is now fully integrated with QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully added your email account to QuickBooks Online for 2025. From now on, your invoices and communications will look more professional and be sent directly from your own email, saving you time and improving your customer experience. If this guide helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.